So what originally first got me interested in space, my dad is a super nerd just like me, and we would watch Star Wars and Star Trek and all that, and he bought me a telescope when I was 7. Well, my parents both bought me a telescope when I was 7, and that night we ripped the box open, put it together, and we looked up at the moon. And you see the moon every night, so most people might not be too enthralled by it, but for some reason that night, seeing it up close, just a little closer, a little more clearer, I looked up at it and something woke up inside me, and it was just, I wanted to go up there. I wanted to go up in space, and I bought all these books when I was younger and just started studying, and I've just continued, and I knew ever since I was 7 that I was gonna start studying space. This past year, I started studying asteroid simulants and just pretty much the dirt on asteroids. And I read this paper by Dr. Kevin Walsh. He did a study on planetesimals, which is the makings of a planet, so pretty much our whole asteroid belt, and how Jupiter's formation affected the creation of our asteroid belt. And that, to me, it was good because I was looking at each asteroid individually. And to me, it was really interesting to see the asteroid belt as a whole in a study, as opposed to my narrow-minded view of it. I would have to say anything related in asteroids. We're working on getting sample returns and even landing on asteroids. And for me, what keeps me interested in that is that by looking out to other planets and how we can put habitats on them and things like that, we end up looking back on our own planet and changing things, because we do need to do a lot of changing to the Earth. We're practically destroying it sometimes, and what I found is that when we develop something further, we kind of take it and we go, you know what, we can change that to Earth and better the Earth as well. So I feel like by mining asteroid materials and things like that, we might find less harmful ways to do the same thing on Earth.